Okay, this episode is about cooking filet mignon over the campfire. My favorite steak. Good friend of mine came down and she's got a beautiful motorhome. It's a 42 footer. I think it's like $250,000 motorhome. Anyway, I decided to cook up some filet mignon steaks tonight, and just give you an idea. I'm barbecuing them, but I'm using the coals are actually from the fireplace over here, and just pour them in there. You know, free heating. No charcoal briquettes, no cost. Over here, I put in a couple of potatoes for us, and I'm also doing some corn. I'm gonna butter down in a couple of minutes. It looks like almost everything is about ready. That's titanium, so it can you can put it right on a campfire. You don't need a grill, even though I got a grill there. You know that I place on the fireplace here. I decided to cook the meat real slow because they're fillets, and you have more control when you do it in a regular grill like this. Which you know, if you shop around, go to yard sales and stuff. I paid $10 for that one. I think they normally run about $45, but I just got this one because my other one was kind of like burning out on the bottom. They had put like wooden pegs on the bottom. This one's got nice aluminum, so I think this is going to hold up really good. So anyway, I got everything together. Then I'm going to drain the corn, butter it down. Nice barbecue sauce. I like the sweet and honey. And just thought you'd like to see, you know, out in the boondocks you can eat good, and it doesn't cost anything if you prepare and you look for wood. You know, I cut all my wood. Got a lot of pine wood and kindling. You just always got to be keeping that in mind. You know, look, I drive around the campground all the time and see, you know, people are pulling in and out. A lot of times they leave the campfire wood. So anyway, this is natural campfire. The potatoes are probably about ready, and certainly the corn is ready. And I believe these steaks are about done. Boy, oh, I love filet mignon, especially barbecue. So this is Eagle Air out in the desert. Beautiful out tonight. It's in the 60s, low 70s or whatever. During the day, and the mosquitoes have gone because it's dropping down into the 40s at night. Good camping weather. So anyway, this is Eagle Air signing off.